Hello friends, welcome to this session. I'm going to discuss about compliances and regulatory challenges into pharma industry. My agenda is today is introduction, key compliances and regulatory challenges for stringent regulatory landscape, data integrity, quality assurance and control, supply chain compliances, product serialization, global regulation, and how we are going to address the compliance challenges. So from introduction point of view, is the pharma industry is focused on to ensuring patient safety. And for that, we have a stringent regulatory requirements to protect patients. This requires maintaining a product quality and high standards for pharmaceutical products. And that requires a data integrity. The accurate and reliable data management is most important thing. So overview of compliance and regulatory challenges is that to ensure the patient safety, we have to have a strict regulatory requirements to maintain and support the patient and protect patient safety. Continuous monitoring of this drug effects is required. Maintaining product quality, adherence to manufacturing standards, and regular quality checkup and its audit is essential. Now, this requires upholding data integrity. So, accurate and secure data management is important thing, and compliance of this data as per the protection laws. Meeting regulatory requirements, compliance with the local and international laws, and regular updates to regulatory framework. Now, what are those stringent regulatory landscapes in there? Pharma companies have to face strict regulations from the agencies like FDA and EMA to set the standards. Compliance challenges are to keeping up the evolving regulations and ensuring compliance in a constant efforts. Now, how this is playing a role in the data integrity? Importance of data integrity. Maintaining up throughout the entire product life cycle, that is from receipt of the material, quality, issuing to the production, going to the manufacturing execution processes, and then going up to the distribution. So it's a crucial from research, development, manufacturing, and distribution. The entire data integrity has to be there. This requires accurate record keeping, essential for compliance and traceability, and prevents errors and any discrepancies into the data. Prevention of the data tampering is very important. This ensures the reliability and trustworthiness of data, protects against unauthorized changes into any records. Adherence to good manufacturing practices is essential, which standardizes the processes and procedures and ensure the product quality and safety. Coming to the quality assurance and control, the importance of the quality and safety is to ensure the quality and safety of the pharmaceutical product is paramount. Adherence to the current good manufacturing practices is essential, and deviations can lead to any product recall or any regulatory actions. This further leads to supply chain management. This, various stakeholders are involved into this. Like stakeholders can be suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors. And complexity is coordination with them. data compilation and creation and analysis and integrity is very important. That leads to end-to-end compliance by ensuring the regulatory standards which are made and continuous monitoring is required. Now coming to the regulatory standards, it's critical and safety and efficacy, and that varies from region to region and product to product. So supply chain compliances has to be there of the data available at all these stages, which is accurate, which is integrated, and is available for all decision making. This leads to product serialization. Serialization regulations are already there, and this requires a unique identifiers for each sellable unit. That is, each product unit. It could be a tablet, it could be a vial, it could be ointment, it could be injectables and all that. And that has got a unique product and a batch number, and then that serialization is really required, which through the data, it should help in tracking and tracing of the product throughout the complete digital supply chain. There are implementation challenges because it's a costly thing to implement because you require a hardware, software, training to the skills and implementation. And this is a complex system which is really required. Now looking at the global regulation, the global regulations are also there. The complexity is increasing in harmonizing and complying with the global standards. Regulatory reporting is required. This requires to submit the various reports and documentation. And errors and delays can result into penalties. Most important is the data security and privacy. Protecting patient data to the product data, ensuring compliances with the data privacy is important. There are continuous changing in the regulatory landscapes. Clinical trials compliances is required. Counterfeit and substandard drugs are to be monitored. Market access to and reimbursement is required. And adverse event reporting is required. So these are all places where you are capturing the data and you are ensuring that this data is really required and it supports all those compliances. So compliance challenges are to be addressed, which requires the investment in compliance programs. Robust compliance programs are essential. Quality management systems play a crucial role. Adoption of digital technologies, which is very important. This plays a bridging role between domain and technologies. Electronic batch manufacturing records can streamline the compliances. Regulatory information management systems can enhance the transparency. And collaboration with the regulatory agencies is vital for staying ahead with the regulatory changes and incorporate them into the systems and processes, which ensures the ongoing compliances. That's a brief thing which I wanted to discuss with you, sharing about the data and then the domain regulatory requirements. Hope you got a brief idea. Feel free to contact us if you need more information. Thank you. Bye.